Hello and welcome. We're out and about again, and we're in Berlin. We're in the coming up to the centre of Berlin. We took the bus in from the campsite. X34 was the bus. I can't remember how long it took. About 50 minutes.
Yeah, about 3/4 of an hour.
3/4 of an hour. So this is where we are. I ain't going to pronounce it.
No.
But anyway, we'll take you around and let's see what we can see.
If you're interested, it costs €3.50 to come in on the bus.
That's cheap.
That's cheap, yeah.
Isn't it? Right, let's go. Big old
I think that tunnel may go to there.
Oh, right, okay.
Do you want to see?
Do you want to?
Let's have a look.
So, that's where we've just come from, the building right down the end there.
That we can't pronounce.
Which we can't pronounce. And that's where we're going. So, it's a bit like the Mall, isn't it?
Very much so, yeah.
There's obviously something going on this weekend, or Sunday. There seems to be an awful lot of fencing and...
The road is shut on Sunday.
Yeah. Oh, tanks and things, look.
Ah.
Oh, that was a good move moving over here to see.
Yes, it certainly was. Not sure what that is. But...
Pardon? Let's cross over then.
Yes, we shall cross over.
I'm guessing it's not normally like this, because the roads are empty, as you can see. I wonder if Mr. Hughes wants any tank spares. This one's a bit there. I'm sure they wouldn't mind. Scotch. Wow.
Thank you.
There we go. A couple of tanks on either side.
Yeah, commemorating the Second World War.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. We're at the Brandenburg Gate. That's back down that way. So we're going to do something that I didn't think I'd ever do, which is walk through it. I'm presuming this is the Brandenburg Gate.
Yes, it is.
Look at this thing. We saw one of those in Amsterdam.
Right. Wow, it's a lovely fountain there, look.
Oh yeah. I was trying to look at that. To the Brandenburg Gate. Never thought I'd end up walking through there. But yeah, pretty impressive, isn't it? Sorry now.
How are we? Okay. Get out of the way, shall we?
Get out of the way.
He's bigger than us.
Rightio, this is the Jewish Memorial in Berlin. Very odd type of thing, isn't it, Suze?
Yes, it's not like a normal like a cross or something with names on, but it is massive.
Yeah.
It's paying homage to the thousands of Jews that died.
Yeah. Yeah, Brandenburg Gate over there.
Oh yeah, right in the
middle, so you can see that.
Yes.
American Embassy there. Yeah.
It's a So you get to see all of it.
Amazing. There we go. We're at
just keep walking, it's in Redmond Road.
We're at Checkpoint Charlie in Berlin. It took a bit of finding, but we found it. So we'll try and have a little look in the middle. There you go. Look at this.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you can actually see in there or not, but that's what it was. Checkpoint Charlie Museum. Okay. I saw this and I thought, well, I've got to film that. Trabi World. Trabi Wood. We love Berlin. All the Trabants. Probably that's left in the world. Yeah, Trabi Wood. Yeah. No racing ones there though, is there? Anyway, there we go. There we go. Bit of the Berlin Wall. I don't think there is that much wall left anymore. As you know, we've just, by the video, we've just been to Checkpoint Charlie. So I'm pleased they've kept a little bit of it. It's it is very warm today. Very, very warm. Anyway, that's that. Not a massive amount to see, but we've seen it. Through to the other side. Radio, you can just see the Brandenburg Gate behind us, I hope. We've just been for lunch and it was very nice, wasn't it?
It was, yes.
We've had a walk here, there and everywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk down to the Reichstag Building, which we believe is that way. So no further ado, we'll go that way. Do you notice? You're getting good at that now.
Okay.
Hey?
Okay.
It is super warm today, isn't it?
It is, yes.
To walk on the cobbles of carry on this.
I'll carry on it. I was just thinking that's quite dusty.
Yes.
We've just been in a souvenir shop to get a little Berlin sticker.
Yep.
And what they've done here, you've got little green walking men and red men for stop, like we have in England.
Yep.
To help you cross the road. But they've turned these into an iconic figure and they sell all sorts of souvenirs with the green man and the red man on.
So walk, no walk.
Yeah, walk, no walk. And the green one has a hat on and the red one is stood there with his arms outstretched to each side of him.
Right. It's quite good, isn't it?
Yeah, you can get all sorts of things with them on.
All sorts of souvenirs. I always thought it would be, I was always kind of told that the Germans sort of really ignored the war, like it didn't really happen. But that's not true, is it?
It's not. There's memorials everywhere. A lot of remembrance places to go. Yeah. They've probably got a lot more than we have.
Yes. It's a bit of a strangey place, I must admit, isn't it?
It's not quite what we expected. Oh. Wow, that's a huge building.
That's a big building, isn't it? Wow, you can see people walking around up in the dome.
Oh yeah.
I don't know whether you'll pick that up, but there is one thing up there. There's people walking around in the glass dome at the top. Wow, I bet that's a good view. We're not sure what's going on, but oh dear, it's gone again. Who's laughing at the Zeppelin? I wonder if they float off. You done? Is it the Reichstag Building?
Yeah.
It is the Reichstag Building.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. So we'll just go over there and we'll... Okay.
Are we crossing? Sure.
You have to... So that's the Reichstag Building.
Let me have a picture.
We'll come over here a bit more. Pretty impressive building. What?
I'll try and get a picture of you in front of it, but we'll go over there a bit.
There's certainly a lot of building work going on. Here we go. As good as you're going to get. 4 o'clock.
Yeah, I think she's on the back. You want to take control?
I won't say take control, but I'll happily carry the damn thing.
So are we walking down through the park a bit, or...?
Yeah, we can do. I'm presuming that's following the...
Yes. Yeah, it will be.
Gate down.
It's just nicer than walking down the road.
It is, yeah. So, really, we'll just walk and talk.
Yeah.
So, what do you think of Berlin?
I quite like it, but I wouldn't say I could spend lots of days here. It's very, very busy.
It is.
And today it's quite hot as well, which
It
doesn't
is, yeah. We've seen quite a lot of people sort of, the old beggars and what have you, are fast asleep on benches, but I think you see them everywhere.
Yes.
One was laid flat out asleep on a bench in the middle of the road, wasn't he?
Yeah, not in the middle of the road. There was a pedestrian zone in the walkway in the middle of the road, and he was on a bench on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't laid on the middle of the road.
No. But yeah.
He was fast asleep.
He was well gone, wasn't he?
Yeah. We've seen 2 or 3, haven't we, that have been sat down and sort of out of it or led down to sleep.
Yeah. Yeah, quite like it.
Loads of green spaces.
Yeah. Oh, I ain't got
A bit
in.
confusing with the roads because we struggle with German.
We struggle with everything.
But whenever we've asked for help,
Everybody's helped.
they've been brilliant.
Yeah. They haven't sent us the wrong way or anything
No, just
crazy
for a
like
laugh.
that.
No.
Have
This
they?
grass is all dried out. They must have had a lot of hot weather here.
Yeah.
In fact, it's
Yeah,
very
when you
brown.
come to think of how much rain we've had at home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's turn around. Bit better view.
Oh, that's a good view, actually,
you can
isn't
actually,
it?
whether you'll be able to see the people walking up the dome, and it looks like circles going up and up and up, round and round and round they go. Amazing. Oh, sorry. Ha. Susie, stand there. You make the Reichstag Building look quite big.
Oh. Well, it's only little, really.
Yeah, it's only little. Yeah. Right. Is the building in? No.
Right.
There. Radio, folks. That's us for today. We're going to give it a... Oh, it's my neck. Give it a miss. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed Berlin. I'm guessing there is lots that we've missed, which we should have
we're
found.
only having a fleeting visit, really.
So thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. So bye from me. Say bye, Susie.
Bye, Susie.
Bye.